Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. Previously, we've discussed customer loyalty. We've also taken our time to explain customer satisfaction strategy, customer retention, relationship marketing, as well as customer relationship marketing tools and application. Today, we'll be talking about customer lifetime value. When we say customer lifetime value, what do we really mean by this concept? Customer lifetime value refers to the total value a customer is expected to generate for a business over the entire duration of their relationship. It helps firms understand not just how much a customer buys today, but how valuable that customer will be in the long run. Now, when two customers imagine a scenario of two customers. One buys a product once and never returns. Another buys smaller quantities but returns every month for several years. Although the second customer spends less per visit, small quantity per time, their value over time is much higher. That is exactly the essence of customer lifetime value. That is total value a customer is expected to generate for a business over the entire duration of their relationship. Now, let's simplify total customer lifetime value in another way. Customer lifetime value combines three key elements: how much a customer spends, how often they purchase, and how long they remain with the firm. These are the combination that customer lifetime value puts together to estimate the business of a customer over a duration of time of their relationship. Now, this perspective tends to shift managerial focus from short-term sales to long-term relationship value. Now, a bank, for example, may have a customer who maintains a savings account. Often it takes a loan, or once in a while it takes a loan, and uses digital services of that bank over many years, and then generates more value than a customer who only opens an account briefly. The bank is therefore likely to invest more in retaining the long-term customer. Why is customer lifetime value very important? One, it helps firms to prioritize customers. Not all customers contribute equally, so resources can be allocated more efficiently to the ones that bring in more value. Two, it supports better marketing decisions. Firms can decide how much to spend on acquiring and retaining different customer segments, each of these segments that as analyzed by customer lifetime value. Three, it strengthens relationship management. How does it do this? High value customers often receive personalized services, exclusive offers, and dedicated support. And then another adjusted or customized service for other valued customers. Now, many airlines, hotels use tiered loyalty programs. You see them, they give different levels or tiers, different kinds of discounts. They offer this kind of discounts. Now, frequent customers receive upgrades, discounts, and priority services. These benefits are not random. They've calculated your customer lifetime value before they offer you such upgrades, such discounts, and priority services. All right, these offers are not random. They are based on customer lifetime value. Now, customer lifetime value, however, is not only about identifying profitable customers. It tends to also encourage firms to increase the value of all customers by improving the retention of such customers, encouraging repeat purchase from such customers, and enhancing customer experience. Customer lifetime value is very is a very important concept, and is a long-term measure of customer profitability. It enables firms to move beyond just immediate transaction and focus on building relationships that generate sustained value over time. All right. Thank you for listening.